Bonjour and welcome to this new episode of my podcast, Study French. In this new episode, I will be talking about the verb to say in French. So, how to conjugate the verb to say in French. Are you ready? Let's go! Before I start, please don't forget to give 5 stars to my podcast. It does help me a lot to reach new people. So thanks in advance. Merci beaucoup for your support. C'est parti. So how to conjugate to say, dire in French, at the present tense. Je dis, I say. Je dis. You say using tu dis. She says, elle dit. He says, il dit. One says, on dit. We say, nous disons. You say using vous, vous dites. A lot of people get confused with that one, so don't make a mistake. You say using vous once again, vous dites, and not vous disiez. It is not vous disiez, it's vous dites. Vous dites. They say feminine plural, elles disent. Elles disent, and masculine plural, ils disent. Ils disent. Now let's move on to the past. I have said. J'ai dit. J'ai dit. I have said or I said. Tu as dit. Tu as dit. You have said or you said. Tu as dit. He has said. He said. Il a dit. She said. Elle a dit. One said. On a dit. On a dit. We have said or we said. Nous avons dit. Nous avons dit. Now using vous, so you using vous, vous avez dit, vous avez dit. They said or they have said. Feminine plural, elles ont dit. And masculine plural, ils ont dit. Ils ont dit. So this is le passé composé. Now let's move on to the imparfait. If you don't know when to use imparfait or when to use le passé composé, I've done an episode about that, so have a look at my podcast episodes to listen to it again if you need, if you're still confused with the difference between passé composé, when to use passé composé, and when to use l'imparfait. I was saying, je disais, I was saying, that could be the translation. Je disais, now tu disais, il disait, elle disait, on disait, nous disions, we were saying, something like that. It could be the translation. So, imparfait en français, nous disions. Now, vous disiez, elle disait, so feminine plural, and il disait, masculine plural. Now to the future. Futur simple. I will say, je dirai. Tu diras, you will say. Elle dira, she will say. Il dira, he will say. On dira, one will say. Nous dirons, we will say. Now using vous, vous direz. Vous direz, you will say. They will say, feminine plural, elles diront, and masculine plural, ils diront. And last but not least, le futur proche. I am going to say, je vais dire. Je vais dire. You can hear it fast sometimes. Je vais dire. Je vais dire. Tu vas dire. You are going to say. She is going to say. Elle va dire. He is going to say. Il va dire. One is going to say. On va dire. We are going to say. Nous allons dire. Nous allons dire. Now, vous allez dire. You are going to say. Vous allez dire. They are going to say. Feminine plural, elles vont dire. Or masculine plural, ils vont dire. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much for listening. And once again, please give 5 stars to my podcast. A lot of you already have done it, and it's helping me a lot. So thank you so much again. And if you haven't done it, please do it. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt in my next episode.